Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is C. Now, as you can see by the title right there, we're going to be reviewing the E.L.F. Soft. We're going to be reviewing E.L.F.'s Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I have the shade 44 Cool Tan. Now, some specs about this product, it says it is a long-lasting satin finish foundation, delivers medium buildable coverage, breathable, infused with 1% hydrating hibiscus complex, great for dry, oily, and combination skin. You can purchase this at Ulta, or you can purchase this from the E.L.F. website directly. This is a $8 foundation. Now, who doesn't want to try an $8 foundation? This is super affordable, and I feel like it'll give the coverage that you're looking for, especially during these hot summer months. Although we're about to be going to fall soon, I still feel like this is a good foundation, especially for those that really want to do those makeup no makeup days, or people that just don't like heavy foundation. I feel like this will be perfect for you guys. Now, I have used this in this video, so as you can see, I have it on right now. So if you want to see me and see my thoughts, definitely stay tuned. I know why you guys are here, and this is the star of the show. This is the E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime. And since we're using E.L.F., it's only right that we use the Power Grip primer. Let's let that dry down for a second and we'll be back with foundation. So I have the shade 44, which is Tan Cool. Let's hope it works for me. Usually I'm good at picking my foundation online, so hopefully this is the same thing. I don't know if you have to shake it up, but let's see if that makes a difference. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put it on this E.L.F. cream and powder brush. I don't know if this is too light. If I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but this looks really, really nice and smooth and soft. E.L.F. might have got one with this one. So this is what this side of the face looks like. And this is the other side. I do feel like this is a nice soft satin finish, so it's giving me what it's telling me that it is. So let's do the other side. I'm really liking how this is looking. This is looking really nice, and you can still see my beauty moles and everything like that. I don't think this is a bad color. I feel like it matches me perfectly. Like, it matches my chest. I really like this. Let's hit the forehead. I don't know, that's just too much foundation, but this looks so good. Like, this is up close. This is not that bad. It's like really nice. I'm gonna see if I can build it up in some of these spots. Like, if I can build it up to cover my beauty mole or my little acne scars here. But I feel like I can honestly wear this without anything else. Like, it just gives, like, it just looks really good. Like, I really could just wear this by itself. But again, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can just cover up a little more of these spots, my little imperfections. I think it did a good job. This did a really good job. I think this is buildable. I'm not sure. I think this side is fine. But I wanted to. I think it's buildable. But you can still see my beauty moles, which on the average is fine to me. But E.L.F definitely scored with this one. Definitely. So I also did get a lip pencil from E.L.F. This is the shade Spill the Tea. It's just like a nice brown. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face off camera. I'll be back when I'm ready to do the lip and when it's time to set the face. Okay guys, so this is my face pretty much done. So I do want to try this E.L.F setting spray. If I can open it. So again, this is what the E.L.F, what is this one? The Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray looks like. Let's give it a go. It's like a fine mist, which I do like. I want to make sure this face is damn. So I did love how that came out. Like, it's just a nice mist. Now I'm about to do my lips, and I'm gonna do one of my favorite lip combos. Well, at least that's what I'm loving right now. Again, this is sweet tea. I'm sorry. This is, what is this one? Spill the tea. And it's a nice brown. I'm gonna go in with this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Bears All. This is like a, oh shoot. This is like a pale pink. Normally, I will leave it matte. But I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Drip Glass. This is in the shade Polished Peach. And I'm gonna just put this in the middle. I have to say, that E.L.F. is really nice. Like, I really love that satin finish foundation. I think this look came together very, very, very nicely. I think the setting spray did a great job as well. So guys, this is the finished look. Now I will say, for an $8 foundation, I really, really, really love this. It feels like I'm not wearing any makeup, and I'm just I'm being so honest with you guys. It really does feel like I have nothing on my face. That's just how it feels. Only thing I can feel is my lashes. But this came about so nicely. Now again, for an $8 foundation, you can't go wrong. This is super affordable. Again, you can purchase this from Ulta, or you can purchase this directly from the E.L.F. website. The lip pencil, it is like a nice soft. I do, however, wish it was a little darker, but I like it. I feel as far as the setting spray, I feel like it does give me dewy, but I think I'm gonna stick to my matte for now. But I do want to spray some more, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this spray is really nice. I do see the dewiness, but I think for me, this is nice and affordable. Again, I think it does do what it says, but I think I'm gonna stick to what I know. But thank you guys for tuning into this video. Definitely pick this up if you haven't already tried it. Again, this is the E.L.F. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to smash that like button as well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.